Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to score a paper. This is a fantastic feature if you're a student, educator, or anyone who needs to quickly assess the quality and readability of written work before submitting or sharing it. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you've entered your credentials and logged in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub where all your documents and tools are housed, making it easy to access everything you need in one place. Once you've successfully signed in and your dashboard loads up, you'll want to access your documents. On the left side menu, you'll see several options. Click on Docs. This section displays all the documents you've uploaded or created within Grammarly. From here, browse through your files and select the one you wish to score. Simply click on it to open the document. This step ensures you're working with the correct paper, so take a moment to verify you've chosen the right file before moving forward. You will now be directed to Grammarly's editor page. This is where the magic happens. The editor is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your document while offering a suite of powerful tools to improve and evaluate your writing. Look at the right side panel, where you'll see several options and features available to help you analyze your paper. Among these tools, you'll find the AI Grader, which is specifically designed to score your document based on various writing metrics. Click on the AI Grader option. Once you do, the AI Grader menu will expand, revealing additional options. From here, simply click on Check with Basic Guidelines. This action tells Grammarly to begin scanning your document. The AI will analyze various aspects of your writing, including grammar, clarity, tone, and overall quality. Depending on the length of your paper, this process may take a few moments, so just be patient while Grammarly does its work. Once the scan has completed, you'll see the score of your paper displayed on the screen. This score gives you a clear, objective assessment of your writing, helping you identify strengths and areas that may need improvement. You've now successfully used Grammarly to score your paper, giving you valuable insight into how your work measures up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.